So very warm welcome to class 5th. Children, today we are going to learn something very new that is not new at all. You all have done many a times, but it is going to be given a name, separate name known as listening skill activity test. Right? Here, what I am going to ask you all is, you will sit along with a earphone properly, right? Earphone or a headphone, whatever you are having. You have to listen to my words very nicely. Then you will write down that paragraph in your copy. Okay. Then I will ask you few questions on that particular paragraph itself. You have to answer me. Very simple. Okay. But while I am reading out the paragraph, you cannot move from here to there. You cannot talk to anyone. You have to give your 100% concentration on your listening skill. That means what you are going to learn today, when I will speak in English, you will listen to me very carefully. Okay. Then when I am going to speak out, at that time you have to write the same paragraph in the copy. Getting me? Everybody? The same paragraph you have to write it in the copy.
Yes, ma'am.
And then after we finish reading and writing the paragraph, then I will ask questions on the basis of that particular paragraph itself. I hope so I'm very clear to everyone. Right? All are keep the videos on, children. Because I have to take care of it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sit in a place where no one else can come. Put your earphone, full concentration on what you're saying. Completely. Don't talk to anyone beside you. When I'm taking classes, I don't like to see that anyone is talking to anyone else. Clear? Settle down. One more important thing, children. When I'm speaking something, don't interrupt in between. Don't say, ma'am, please repeat, ma'am, pardon, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
No. I will repeat one paragraph 3 times. So don't disturb in between. Keep your videos on.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Keep your
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. You all are too late with. You have to sit in a place with a copy and a pen where no one else is going to disturb you. I request all the students to sit in a quiet place. Put your earphone inside your ears. You have to write it down.
One thing.
All the students, keep your videos on.
Mommy. One thing.
Mic off. Mic off, Janya. Okay. So here is the paragraph for you all. Videos on. Samriddhi, Avni, normal video I want. Nishtha, Dhairya, Shaurya, Ashi, Dhairya, Jash, Maulik. Videos on.
Mama's on.
Okay.
Mama also on.
B, let's start. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Bees are insects. Bees are insects. Full stop. Bees are special special insects. Bees are special insects because तपस्या बैठी क्यों हो, लिख क्यों नहीं रही हो? Why you are not writing? Bees are special insects because they can fly. Exclamation sign. Single dandi and dot. They can move through the air like an aeroplane. They can move through the air like an aeroplane. Bees can fly because they have wings. Full stop. They use their wings to fly. Full stop. Bees can fly fast. Full stop. Bees can also fly slow. They can fly up and down. They can fly up and down. They need to fly. They need to fly to get to the flowers. They need to fly to get to the flowers. Bees can have three colors. Three colors. Full stop. They can be yellow, comma red, and orange. Full stop. All bees are black in some places. All bees are black in some places. Bees have three main parts. Bees have three main parts. They have a head,
Good afternoon.
they have a body, and they have a stinger. Stinger. They have a head, they have a body, and they have a stinger. The stinger is used to defend.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am, I have joined the class ma'am because मैं बाहर थी. मैम अब क्या कराए?
Beta, don't disturb in between. You have to wait for 5 minutes. The stinger is used to defend against enemies. The stinger is used to defend against enemies. They also have six legs. They also have six legs.
And they also
They also have six legs.
Ma'am, what you have said, the stinger is used to.
Beta, I will repeat it 3 times. Wait now. They also have six legs. They use their legs to stand and climb. They use their legs to stand and climb. They also use their legs to eat and collect. They also use their legs to eat and collect. Pollen. 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 Pollen.
Ma'am, they also use their legs के आगे क्या है?
They, beta, when I am speaking in English, you should not speak in any other languages. I have told you many a times. They use their legs. They also use their legs to eat and collect pollen. Pollen. Full stop. Bees live in many places. Bees live in many places. Full stop. They live in Africa, Australia, Asia, Europe, North America, South America.
Ma'am, please repeat the places name.
They live in Africa, Australia, Asia, Europe, North America, South America. Full stop. The only continent that bees do not live, the only continent that bees do not live on is Antarctica. Antarctica.
मैम that bees what is के बाद
When you have left something, leave it. I will repeat it once again. Have patience, okay? The only continent that bees do not live on is Antarctica. I understand why they don't live in Antarctica. It is too cold. It is too cold. Most of the time, bees are nice to humans. Most of the time, bees are nice to humans. If you do not bother them, they will not bother you. If you do not bother them, they will not bother you. Full stop. Have fun watching the bees this summer. Have fun watching the bees this summer. Okay. Now pay attention and listen to me very carefully. I will repeat the whole paragraph once again. Now, who came late? Who came late in the class?
I
Okay. Riddhi,
I
we are doing listening skill activity. Here I am telling you all one paragraph. That paragraph you all are actually going to write it down.
yes
Basis of the same paragraph, I will be asking you 5 questions. Am I clear?
yes
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you have said now a paragraph I have written in my copy.
Very good, but many things might be left. Many words might be missing. Okay, so do one
Yes,
thing.
ma'am.
Now,
ma'am
the question copy first. Then I will repeat the paragraph again. Yes.
What I know. Please.
Beta, I said I am giving you 5 questions. Note down the question and then I will repeat the whole paragraph once again. Am I clear now?
yes ma'am yes ma'am
Please write the questions, all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 1. Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
What are bees? What are bees? Write down fast. What are bees?
Ma'am, next question.
Options are, write down the options. A, mammals. B, birds. C, reptiles. C, reptiles. D, insects.
मैम सी क्या था?
A, mammals. B, birds. C, reptiles. Reptiles. And fourth one is insect. You write it down in your copy and keep it ready. Question number 2. How do bees fly? How do bees fly? How do bees fly? Done? Question number 3.
Yes, ma'am.
How many legs do bees have?
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, please give the option. Ma'am, please
it is
give
there
the
no
option
option.
of second question.
We don't have any option. Second also no option.
Yes, ma'am.
Also no option. How many legs do bees have? Fourth question. What is the stinger used for? What is the stinger used for? What is the stinger used for? Fifth question. Where do bees live? Where do bees live? Right? Where do bees live?
Ma'am, where do we sleep now?
Bees live. Bees, B-E-E-S, bees live. Where do bees live? Done?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Beta, I will repeat the paragraph once again. Please check it out. Check your paragraphs.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Ready?
मैम मैम
हाँ?
मैं लिख फोटो मैम ये लिख के आपको पीडीएफ बना के भेजना है.
Right.
नहीं भेज-
Yes, beta.
मैम पीडीएफ बना के भेजना है.
Yes, beta. I'm saying yes now. Now, listen. Bees are insects. Bees are special insects because they can fly.
जब उससे आवाज नहीं आती है तो
Whenever I am speaking or reading out something, You will not disturb in between.
Ma'am, bees are special insect. Ma'am, after
Will you wait? Bees are insects. Bees are special insects because they can fly. They can move through the air like aeroplane. Bees can fly because they have wings. They use their wings.
मैम धीरे
Beta, second time when I am reading out, don't disturb in between. If I read it now slowly, it won't be possible for me to complete it in this period. That's why again I am saying you have to put your earphones, listen to me. You have very slow handwriting. And don't interrupt it. These are insects. Bees are special insects because they can fly. They can move through the air like an aeroplane. Bees can fly because they have wings. They use their wings to fly. Bees can fly fast. Bees can also fly slow. They can fly up and down. They need to fly to get to the flowers. Bees can have 3 colors. They can be yellow, red, and orange. All bees are black in some places. Bees have 3 main parts. They have a head, they have a body, and they have a stinger. The stinger is used to defend against enemies. They also have 6 legs. They use their legs to stand and climb. They also use these legs to eat and collect pollen. Bees live in many places. They live in Africa, Australia, Asia, Europe, North America, South America. The only continent that bees do not live on is Antarctica. Understand why they don't live in Antarctica. It is too cold. Most of the time, bees are nice to humans. If you do not bother them, they will not bother you. Have fun watching the bees like bees this summer. This was the paragraph. I hope so you'll have written the answers. Who will tell me the first answer? 5 minutes are still left.
Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am,
Okay. Write it in chat box.
Ma'am, the first answer.
I'm the first. Can I tell the second?
Rest of the students, write your answers in the chat box. Shaurya. Yourself.
Ma'am,
Give me the first answer.
Ma'am, can I tell?
All are giving the answer.
Ma'am, the first answer is insect.
Ma'am, can I tell insect?
Answer is insects.
The first answer is insects.
Ma'am, the second. Ma'am, the second answer. Fly with their wings.
Ma'am, bees fly with their wings.
They fly with their wings.
Ma'am, they fly with their wings.
Very good, very good.
Ma'am,
Very good.
there is
Ma'am, the third. Ma'am, third answer is Ma'am, the bees have 6 legs.
Good. Fourth answer.
Ma'am,
what is question of Ma'am, what is question of force?
what is the stringer used for?
Yes.
Ma'am, the stringer are used to call enemies.
And eat food.
To define.
To define.
No, beta, it's income, stand, eat food, and collect pollen grain.
Ma'am, this Ma'am, they used to collect the food.
Bees live in the nets.
No.
Ma'am, bees live in Africa, Australia, Europe, North America,
Australia.
North America, and South America.
Yes.
Ma'am, they live in Ma'am, they live in Africa and South America.
Correct. Where they don't live, where the bees don't live, where the bees don't
Antarctica.
Only continent that it is very cold place. Antarctica.
Good.
It is too cold.
Very nicely.
And it is too cold.
We will meet in the next period, children. Thank you so much. Take care.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, there is not class. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, children.
Bye, ma'am.